In today's world, healthcare is undergoing a silent revolution, one not led by new medicines or breakthrough surgeries, but by something less visible and far more intelligent: artificial intelligence. Behind the screens of hospital monitors, MRI machines, and patient records, AI is transforming how we understand disease, diagnose it, and treat it. It all begins with diagnosis. For decades, human doctors have analyzed X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs to detect signs of illness. But now, AI-powered diagnostic tools are stepping in, not to replace the doctor, but to supercharge their vision. Algorithms trained on millions of medical images can detect tumors that are nearly invisible to the human eye. They can flag subtle patterns in heart rhythms that might go unnoticed in a rushed emergency room. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't miss details after a 12-hour shift. In hospitals across the world, AI is already in action, diagnosing early-stage cancers, predicting strokes, and even forecasting how a patient's condition will evolve in the coming days. With this kind of speed and precision, doctors can intervene earlier, tailor treatment plans more effectively, and dramatically improve patient outcomes. But diagnosis is only the beginning. When it comes to treatment, AI is opening doors to a new era of personalization. No two patients are exactly alike, and AI knows it. By analyzing vast amounts of genetic data, lifestyle patterns, and previous treatments, AI systems can craft highly customized plans. Imagine a cancer therapy designed not just for your cancer type, but for your specific DNA and medical history, a treatment that's more effective, with fewer side effects. And that's just scratching the surface. In pharmaceutical labs, AI is helping scientists identify new drug compounds in a fraction of the time it once took. It's modeling how those compounds interact with the human body long before they reach clinical trials. The result? Faster, cheaper, and potentially more effective treatments. In operating rooms, robotic systems guided by AI are now performing surgeries with microscopic precision. These machines can adapt in real time, correcting for even the slightest movement, and minimizing damage to surrounding tissues. Recovery times shrink. Risks drop. Lives are saved. But what if we didn't have to wait for symptoms to show up at all? That's the promise of AI in prevention, turning healthcare from reactive to proactive. By analyzing data from health records, genetics, and even social behavior, AI can predict who's at risk for conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or depression, often before a single symptom appears. Based on these insights, patients can receive personalized lifestyle recommendations. Eat this. Exercise this much. Take this test next month. AI becomes a silent health coach, always watching, always learning. Smart wearables take this even further. Devices like fitness bands and smartwatches, powered by AI, monitor our sleep, heart rate, oxygen levels, and more, offering real-time alerts and long-term trend analysis. These tools aren't just for athletes anymore. They're becoming lifelines for millions, providing early warnings that can save lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI digs deeper into our health, ethical concerns grow louder. What happens when an AI model is trained on biased data and starts giving unequal care recommendations? How do we ensure that everyone, regardless of race, gender, or income, gets equal access to this intelligent care? Data privacy is another pressing issue. AI thrives on information, personal, sensitive, deeply private information. Ensuring that patient data remains secure and that consent is respected is not optional. It's essential. And through it all, one truth must remain clear: AI is not here to replace doctors. It's here to empower them. The warmth of a human voice, the reassurance of a physician's touch, the judgment honed over decades of experience. These are things no algorithm can replicate. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as powerful as the hands that wield it. So, what does the future hold? Picture a world where AI-powered telemedicine connects rural villages with the best doctors on Earth. Where AI-guided drones deliver life-saving medications within minutes. Where each of us receives care as unique as our fingerprint. The possibilities are not just exciting, they're transformative. If you're as fascinated by this revolution as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're bringing you the most mind-blowing science and tech stories that are shaping the future of our world. As we look ahead, one thing becomes clear. AI in healthcare isn't just about machines or data. It's about people. It's about saving lives, easing suffering, and making health more human than ever before, with a little help from intelligent machines. Because when technology and compassion join forces, the future of medicine shines brighter than ever.